emails always text back saying, sorry, I was busy. Yeah, napping all day, weren't you? You were napping, huh? Okay, let me take that bed away. It takes too much attention from you.
Fake friend test. Send this vid to your friend. If they respond with haha or lol, they are a fake friend and don't watch your videos. If they respond with the pig emoji, they are a true friend and they watch your videos.
Scroll past this video if you hate your mom. If you love your mom, hit the plus, like, comment mom, and share.
The person that sent you this is either on the run and constantly hiding from the FBI or just wants to say hi.
If you come across this video, I believe you were meant to see it, so this message is for you. You are not damaged goods, and you are not broken. You are not a failure or worthless or a burden. You are not weak. You are not a waste of space, and you are not alone. You are important. You are loved. You are needed. You are smart and beautiful and strong. I'm sorry that you're going through a hard time right now, and I know that it feels like it will never end. But I promise you there are better days just around the corner.
Ciao ragazzi!
Eccoci in un nuovo slime mixing. In questo video ovviamente mischieremo tantissimi vecchi slime e voi dovete provare a indovinare il colore finale nei commenti. Comunque ragazzi, sul nostro sito è terminato tutto, ma visto che ce lo chiedete in tantissimi, ci sarà un rifornimento per l'Epifania dove saranno presenti le calze della Befana a tema slime, quindi rimanete attivi. Nel frattempo qui stiamo mischiando, abbiamo aggiunto tantissimi slime e se devo essere sincero è davvero difficile cercare di indovinare il colore. Qui si inizia a intravedere il colore. Comunque non so voi, ma questo slime è orribile. Se avete risposto grigio avete indovinato, anche se non è proprio un grigio.